Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we are going to deal with an essay written by Swami Vivekananda, and the title of this essay is India's Message to the World. So let's see the introduction of this essay. Swami Vivekananda, 1863 to 1902, means 1902. Swami Vivekananda was a Hindu monk. Let me tell you the meaning of this word monk first of all. A monk means a member of religious group who lives in a special religious place and do not get married, and he also do not have any kind of possessions. So he was a such monk who represented India at the World's Parliament of Religions held in Chicago in 1893. Born in a affluent Bengali family. Now, what is the meaning of this word affluent? Affluent means a wealthy and rich family. He belongs to a wealthy and rich family from a Bengal region. Vivekananda acquired a vast knowledge of various subjects, especially Western logic, philosophy and history. So what is logic stands for? Logic means a particular method of reasoning or argumentation. So he was having a great knowledge of these three areas, specifically Western logic, philosophy and the history. By the time he graduated from Kolkata University, this opened his mind to various intellectual and philosophical influences and perspectives. So here perspective means what? The ability to think about, capability or ability to think about problems and decisions in reasoning or reasonable way without exaggerating them. Means to have a knowledge about the thing, what exactly you want to find out. So here, later he travelled across India, and his close interaction means communication, interaction with Indian masses. Masses means great numbers of people. So Indian masses or societies helped him to understand the need to eradicate poverty, illiteracy and the oppression of women. So first of all, eradicate poverty. What is eradication? Eradication means to destroy or get rid of something. So to eradicate poverty, illiteracy as well as oppression of women means oppression means mental and physical harassment done in the family or in the society by the male dominant society. So eradicate poverty, illiteracy as well as oppression of women and the poor in Indian society. So he took the decision to devote his life to serving the people of India. To this end, he formed established the Ramakrishna mission for his service to the people of India. This is an essay. India's message to the world is an essay written by Swami Vivekananda. The following essay was discovered among Swami Vivekananda's papers. He had planned to write a book, and had jotted down, wrote down 42 points as an outline to follow, but he only expanded a few points out of those 42 points. The rest of the work was left unfinished. In this essay, he reflects on his travels to the West and the lessons he learned from observing and interacting with people. These 2 points are most important. While understanding the nature of Swami Vivekananda and his working style and his deep thinking over the philosophy and the problems related to the poverty in India, these 2 things are observation and interaction. He observed the society, he observed the people, he observed the masses, and he observed their problems. Along with this thing, he also interacted with numbers of people. So these 2 points made him more cognizant towards the problems of the Indian people, whether related to the poverty, oppression of women, as well as numbers of issues related with the poverty in India. So though grateful to the lands of West for all that they have provided him, means he was thankful to the Western countries and the places where he visited for the cause of representation of India and representation of the religions of India in the parliament. So he was grateful to the lands of the West for all that he have provided him. He knows that at the heart his allegiance is to his motherland. Now, what is allegiance? Allegiance means showing or giving a grand support either to the religious belief or to the social belief or some sort of a government in one's motherland. So allegiance is to his motherland. He expounds on his theory of how India and spirituality has so much to offer to the world. So expound means to present or explain something in detail. So he tried to explain and presents in detail the theory of India and how the Indian spirituality is great in all sense, and how these 2 things, the culture as well as spirituality of India, can give so many things to the world. They are having the capabilities to reshape the world once again and offer so many things to the world. So he explained these 2 things most of the time through his spiritual talk, through his writings, and through his research papers. So this is an essay which is entitled like this: India's Message to the World, is written by Swami Vivekananda. In the next lecture, we will see in detail this essay written by Swami Vivekananda